Every minute and then we see some people reacting on our video. The funny thing on this one, it's not coming from the Philippines, and yes, we randomly see some reactions coming from the Philippines, but as I can see here, if I compare it with the data I see from the Facebook professional dashboard, insights, audience, top countries, majority of the comments, the reactions that I'm seeing right now are coming from countries like Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, other neighboring Southeast Asian nations. Okay, so if you have this kind of notifications popping up every now and then on your Facebook page notifications, this is an indication that you can have that sense of reassurance that people are really watching your videos, okay? And this can equate to eligible Facebook views, and that will also reflect or equate to your earning rate on Facebook Meta, okay? Just about this afternoon, I tried to sleep because I got tired. Some people may think editing videos are easy, or editing videos is just very easy, but it really takes time and effort. So it can also come to a point that you will get tired, okay? Before I slept, I was looking at the monetization, or the how much the account is earning. It's around $2.90 for the past 28 days, and only 6 million views. So the moment I woke up, it's now saying that in the past 28 days we have 7.2 million views, okay? As you can see here, we have um, this kind of drop, okay, from for example June 3, 2026, 760,592 views, and then it dropped to 112,115 views, and then it went up again to 1 million 4 46,966 on June 5. Okay, this is one of my challenges, because if we really don't have any videos scheduled ahead of time, for those people like me who's working an 8 to 5 job, it's only after Friday and then Saturday and Sunday when I have the time to create more videos compared to the weekdays. Okay, because when I start to work 5 days, that 8 to 5 job is also tiring, because it's not I'm not only working as a normal agent, but I have a higher accountability in terms of work when it comes to scheduling. I really have less amount of time during Mondays to Friday to focus on editing videos, compared to when I'm on rest days. So this is one of my challenges. But in terms of monetization, when I see the when I woke up, I see that it went up to $3.35. I know it's only a small amount, but if your audience or is really organic, you can somehow have that sense of reassurance that somebody will watch your videos. And if we have a look at the past 90 days monetization, we can see here that in the past 90 days we are able to accumulate at least $16.87 in the past 3 months. Okay, so we're almost near the $25 threshold. So if that happens, we'll make an update video. Okay, so if you're able to reach until this part of the video, thank you so much for the support. I would like to genuinely thank everyone who supports our Like Anika Family Vlogs Facebook page. And then, if you haven't got your Facebook monetization yet, I pray and I hope that one day Facebook Meta will also notice your hard work, and you will also become monetized, okay, on your Facebook account, okay, or Facebook page. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless. Stay tuned for our next video. This is a thank you video, or a tribute video to all those organic viewers who are watching, liking, doing reactions on our Like Anika Family Vlogs Facebook page, okay?